Hello everybody, my name is Anayah and today I'm going to share another one of my mom's secret recipes. It's not going to be very secret anymore because you're going to learn it very soon. It's the recipe for delicious Italian risotto with chicken and mushroom. Yum! Preheat a pan and pour the oil into it. Saute the chicken. We have to cook the chicken. When the chicken is this color, we have to pour in both the peppers. Mix it and cook it. Now you have to add the salt. When the chicken is cooked, take it out of the pan, set it aside. We have to keep the oil in the pan, pour in our onion, and we have to pour in our garlic. Let it cook until it's soft. When the onion is nice and soft, add in the arborio rice and warm it up. You can tell if the rice are ready by their color. If the rice are white, that means they are not warmed. If they are a brownish transparent color, that means they are definitely warm. At this stage, we're going to gradually add the water that we have. Now, we are going to add the chicken stock cubes. And we have to mix it until they dissolve. If you don't have chicken stock cubes, you can use Vegeta. We have to put in about 3 cups of hot water into it. You can also add artichoke or asparagus. Now, we are going to add the 400 grams of mushrooms. Mix it well. Next, we add the chopped chives. Now that the water has evaporated a bit more, we are going to add the cream, the chicken, so the rice are nice and soft now. So now we are going to add the cheese. You can already see the cheese has melted and it's already stretchy. Finally, we finish it off with the butter. The risotto is finally ready and now we are going to serve it. We served it out with basil and parmesan to garnish. Oh, it smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. Let's do it now. It's super cheesy, super creamy, and super risotto-y. So, I hope this turns out a good dinner for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like to this video, and share these videos with your friends. I'm gonna finish this, but for now, bye!